It's time to play with set. Well, today we want to see what happens when this comes in the words, how it attached to other letters and everything about it. Look at it. The parts that are in another color are the parts that it can attach to other letters. Look at the lowercase. We know we have a lowercase and a capital one. This one comes at the beginning or in the middle. Sometimes attached from here, always attached from here. What about this one? This one comes always and always at the end. Look at this part, the red part. It sometimes attached to other letters from here, sometimes comes alone. And all these options are, depending on the letter before that, you know this. Now let's see how it looks like in the actual words. Well, here we have se at the beginning, here in the middle, attached from both sides. Here we have at the end and another one in the middle. Now, here, we know this one attached from here because it has to. There's no other choice. Here, it's attached from here because, again, it has to. But here, because K wants to attach, se attaches as well. And here, see, it didn't attach from here because we know that A doesn't want to. Remember, A comes always at the beginning and never attached to anything. And here at the end, because of this, it doesn't attach. But imagine we didn't have the A and it was another letter. So it would attach to that letter. Now let's go and read them together. First one, ثانیه. ثانیه. ثانیه is the same as second in English. ثانیه, second. کثیف. 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 کثیف is the same as dirty in English. کثیف, dirty. And here we have اساس. اساس. Asas is the same as furniture in English. There, 3 more words. Now let's see what we have for practice. For practice, 1 or 2 lines for each one of them would be enough. Just write them down, and the part that it can attach to other letters, just show it with another color. Try to write each one of them just once in order to practice, and instead of saying second, we say ثانیه. Instead of saying dirty, we say کثیف. And instead of saying furniture, we say اساس. As easy as this. So, comment when you did your practices, and if you had any questions, again, comment for me. See you all next session, and until then, bye.